We'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as it means you can't go and use the internet, so let's get into some fixes. First of all, go and open up the settings like so. Click on connections and go and click on Wi-Fi. So for you, it may not be showing up, or when you try and join it, it then doesn't work properly, so let's get into some fixes. To do this, just come back to your main settings like so. You need to go and scroll down until you can see General Management just here and click on it. Then scroll down and click on Reset. And what you want to do is go and find Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Doing this will go and reset everything, so make sure you're sure, but we're going to try and fix it. They've now been reset. And then what you can do is try and join the Wi-Fi network again. We'll come back to Wi-Fi and go and see if you can join it. If you can, then great. However, if you still can't, then what you should try doing is restarting the Wi-Fi network itself, which is your router. Then come back and try and join it, and hopefully it'll work. If you found this useful, then leave a like.